The Lindenwood University Library Services has both print and electronic books. These books include popular titles and books for academic research. You can access our books by clicking on the Books button from the library homepage. Once you click the button, you can begin searching our online catalog. There are multiple ways to search for books. The two easiest are keyword and title. I'm going to do a keyword search for early literacy and education. Looking at my results, I see that I have many ebooks and a couple of print books. I'm going to look at an ebook result first. The ebook record shows the title and publication information, and then beneath that, it has the link to access the ebook. You want to make sure that you click on the Lindenwood University link, since we share a catalog with other universities in our area. Remember, you can only access ebooks from the school where you are currently enrolled. When you click on the link, you will be directed to the ebook. If you are off campus, it will then ask for your Lindenwood University username and password, which is the same information that you would use to log into Canvas. Once you are logged in, you will have access to the ebook. In this particular case, you have the option to download the ebook or read a PDF of the ebook online. If you choose the PDF option, you will be able to search through the book for a particular word or phrase. Example, early literacy. You can select the result you find promising and it will take you to that page. From here, you can save some pages into a PDF to use for later. The number of pages you are allowed to download varies by book. The library has many vendors that provide our ebooks. You may click on a link that will take you to a different platform that will have its own look and restrictions. Some will allow you to download the whole ebook. Others will only allow you to download or print a certain amount of pages, such as our example for today. Still, others will only allow you to read the book online. If you have any questions about using our ebooks, please contact the library. Now, let's look at how you would access a print book. Like an ebook, the record shows the title and publication information, but instead of a link to the book, there is information on where to find the physical book. Each piece of information is important. For this book, it is located in the Lindenwood University Circulating Books, which is our main collection. You should take note to make sure the book says it is available, for if it isn't, it won't be located on the shelf. Last, jot down the call number so that you can go to the correct shelf to save time. Once you have the book, take it to the circulation desk to check it out using your Lindenwood University ID. If you can't find the book or have questions about using our books or ebooks, please contact the library.